Sicily! Love to see you again. I'm not alone, I'm with Gianca, of course.
Good morning.
And look at my beautiful apron.
Rosella is the
This is
star
for you.
today, guys. So, guys, first of all, we have to say something about this particular day. Today it's the Good Friday. Actually, in Italy we say Holy Friday because this day belongs to the Holy Week, and we have to say that now we will introduce you with a particular Sicilian dish that belongs to the old tradition, to the ancient tradition.
Very
From
popular.
from the countryside. So it's one of the most traditional dishes, not only in Sicily. Actually, we have to say it's one of the most traditional dishes in South Italy. And so, Rosella, what we will cook today?
We are going to cook pasta with potatoes. We call pasta chi patati, and it's very easy. So the level of difficulty is very easy, and also the ingredients are very easy to find and to cook. You need only half an hour to prepare this recipe, and it's just the way like my grandmother used to do. And imagine a lot of people during the Second World War cooking,
and also before,
when they haven't when
enough
there are,
food at their
yes,
disposal. So one of the simplest and poorest dish in our culinary tradition, and I think it's the best dish to prepare today because it's a holiday and it's the day when our Lord was crucified. So in how do you say?
in these days we used to avoid to eat meat,
Yeah.
to respect our God. So this could be a good dish to eat this day because it's very pure. So
It's a form of respect.
yes. So it's also a good way to spend this day with you guys, because you know when we are live you can feel your positive emotions, and our soul and our hearts will be overwhelmed with joy.
Yeah. So Rosella, let's go.
Let's go. So
How can I help you?
So first of all, we have to start with the potatoes. You have to cut the potatoes in small cubes, like this. So forgive me.
I come closer, Rosella, okay?
Yeah, I'm not a professional chef. I'm not a good housewife, but I have a wonderful heritage. So I can try to do this like my mother and grandmother used to do. Gianca, I also want to tell you that I need some laurel leaves, about 4 for me, please. And also I need some rosemary.
Okay.
So could you please go to collect them?
You rule.
And so you can share.
She
you can
orders,
show
and I.
all your beautiful garden.
But people we lose the opportunity to see what are you doing now.
No, because it's very easy. It's a little bit boring because I'm not very quickly cut the potatoes, so it's better to show the garden because it's very easy for our friends. You only need to cut the potatoes into small cubes like this.
I switch.
This is the right shape and the right size. I can go on.
So guys, let's go. Let's pick the laurel and the rosemary. What you said?
Yes.
Rosemary. So let's start with the laurel. First of all, I would like to take the advantage to say that I have a new look, guys. And Rosella is guilty. So Rosella made this great job. So I didn't go to the barber. I am now walking in the surroundings of my house. Now I want to show you the laurel tree. Look at this beautiful tree. Very big tree, guys. Oh, I forgot my scissors. So let's take some trees. I think they are enough. That's a plant from the Madagascar, a tropical plant. And that's a huge cactus. So guys, I'm gonna show you my vegetable garden now. So guys, this is what I did a few days ago. I planted some tomatoes, eggplants, zucchini, and now I have to wait they grow. So let's come back to see what Rosella is doing. Ciao Rosella, say hello.
Gianca, I want to show also the onion. Is the red one. Do you, and you know why the red one?
No, I don't know why. Because it's sweeter.
So this is the sweet
red onion from Calabria.
Yes. And you have to cut the smaller as you can.
Is this enough?
Oh yes, I need only 4 leaves. And where is the rosemary?
I'm gonna take it. So guys.
Thank you, Gianca. Thank you for your help.
I try. Okay. Ooh, poo, 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 poo. Oh, right.
Thank you.
This is for you, Rosella.
Oh, this is perfect. I only need to wash it, even if it's organic. So.
If you want, I can do it for you.
And oh, don't worry. We are going to the cooking.
Mm-hmm.
And have you shown the beautiful view? Today
Yeah.
is very sunny. Maybe the spring time is coming. And I think that today we can have our lunch outside.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. I agree with you.
I'm not a professional food blogger, like a friend of me.
So people are asking where we are now.
So first of all, we are in lockdown.
What has happened to my gimbal, guys? I don't know. Okay. Oh, the gimbal is crazy, guys. Okay. I took the control of my gimbal again, guys. Where is Rosella?
I'm here.
So, guys, we are in the province of Palermo. Palermo is very close to my house, about 15 miles, 20 minutes driving. And this is the area of Carini. Carini is a small village, very famous for the castle of Carini, also famous for the popular legend of the Baroness of Carini. Yeah. And you can see behind us the beautiful Gulf of Carini. So we are near Palermo, the northern coastline of Sicily.
Ready to go to the kitchen. So I have cut the potatoes into small cubes.
Yeah.
And also the onion, the red onion. Of course, the smaller you can.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go, Gianca. Follow me.
I want to say something. So I was talking about your great job with my new look.
Oh, look!
So if you see a hole, it's not Rosella's fault. I had a surgery, so she made a great job. So
Thank you, Gianca.
No mistake, no mistakes.
And normally you have to know that Gianca is every time, Rosella, Rosella, what are you doing? And he was very scared about this cutting of hair. How can I say?
This new situation.
Yes.
So it was a new situation for me. So I was scared. Yeah, you're right. You never know what's happening when Rosella takes the scissors.
But what do you think? It's a beautiful. I think that Gianca looks younger.
Sure.
Maybe 10 years younger. So
let's go, Rosella. Let's go.
Be happy. This is my first live cooking. This is my first. I'm very, how can I say, shy. So welcome to our kitchen. Okay, first of all, we have the pot with the hot water for the pasta, and now I'm going to also this one. So this is olive oil because we use only olive oil to cook, made by Gianca.
Let me thank my friend Catherine for making this beautiful bottle. Show the bottle, please.
Yes.
Guys, look at these beautiful paintings. Show the bottle. Turn it. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Kat, for making this great job.
So it's time to... You can put the potatoes and also the onion at the same time. Maybe it's better with my hand.
I can see that you are not professional because
Yeah.
you are taking the funnel from the wrong side.
And also emozionata, come si dice, Gianca? Okay.
Rosella,
So we need...
I'm coming back soon, okay? I take the tripod.
Oh, okay.
I leave you just one moment here.
Okay. So we are doing a soffritto. About 5 minutes. We also need to add 2 garlic.
Wait. Wait for me.
Okay.
Okay. Here me are.
Okay.
Here I am again.
Okay, so 2 garlic. I used to put not broken because it's I'm a little intolerant, and so I can
Show again what are you doing because perhaps they didn't see.
so
Because the quality perhaps is not good.
no.
Are you cleaning the garlic?
Yes.
Let me see. Okay.
Okay. So you have to stir for the soffritto garlic, onion, and potatoes. After 2 minutes, you have to put the heat lower. Then you can also add the laurel leaf. So they are very large, so I think that 3-4 is enough. And also the rosemary. So you can wash. And you can put without broken them, because at the end you can
Took it away.
took away. Yeah, you are right.
Take it away. Sorry.
Take it away. Okay. So here there is the hot water, and I put 1 cube of vegetable broth, or if you like meat, but I prefer the vegetable one.
And today is a holiday,
Yes.
so we don't eat any meat.
Yeah. And of course, I'm preparing the other pot for the water to cook pasta. So what about the right pasta? As you know, guys, in Sicily there are a lot of... So Sicily is a melting pot. There are a lot of traditions, a lot of different recipes. Recipes. Okay. So everyone can also change the recipe. And for example, here someone put also carrots and cedar. But I want to make this dish like my grandmother did. So in the easiest way. You have to be careful because you have to stir very quickly and very often, because you have no water at this moment. I'm talking about the pasta.
Where is the pasta?
The pasta is here. I want to use spaghetti broken spaghetti.
So, it's the classical, the traditional spaghetti, noodles.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
So this is the shape, guys.
And you can help me.
Let me show the. This is the shape. This is the size of spaghetti. So not bucatini, not capelli d'angelo, the traditional one.
Now the broth is ready, and I can add, but not all at the same time, but slowly.
Guarda la telecamera, guardi qua.
I have also to look at my pot, Gianca. I can look at the camera because if you want to eat today, I have to be careful.
Guys, I have the best part, of course. She cooks and I eat.
Yeah. And every time it's not good, you can improve your culinary skills. Yeah. So it's the time to broke spaghetti.
Jason says to put some Sicilian music in background.
It's not possible because Facebook delayed the live stream because of the
Copyright.
I would like to do this, but
This is
we
not
can.
possible. Guys, everything is crazy in this world. Also, it happened that we had our own music and Facebook deleted the content, the live stream, because Facebook thought it was, how do you say, another music. So, just like we were stealing music. So, it's incredible. But you can sing!
You are better than me, Gianca. Me lo prendi un po' vecchio anche? So it's the time to broke spaghetti. I suggest you to take only a small quantity of spaghetti because in other ways it's difficult to broke spaghetti.
This is good?
Yes, this is perfect. No, this is good. This one, thanks. And also, Gianca can show the right side. I'm going to show you.
I go closer.
So, more or less this.
Not too much closer.
Okay. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah,
More or less this is
the shape.
the shape,
the
the
size.
size.
The size.
Are you hungry, Gianca?
Yeah.
Do you want a lot of pasta?
It's so late, guys. It's so late.
Okay, I think that this is enough for me. And I'm going to check the right quantity for you, Gianca.
Let me see some comments in the meantime.
Yeah.
I take my glasses, okay. Oh, from the beginning, a lot of comments, guys. Thank you for your love. Thank you for watching us. Oh, no. Too many comments. So,
Maybe they are happy because it's my first live stream in cooking.
guys,
But cooking is not my job.
I
And
skip.
you can see.
I only answer your questions. So I skip all the greetings. I love you all.
Me too.
But there are many comments. So, what she say? So what they say? So. Jeannie Papa Gardner. Hello, Jeannie.
Ciao, Jeannie.
She says she's making tuna fish sandwiches.
Oh.
But as it is meatless for them too, so she thinks this is better. So they are asking where we are, and we already answered the question. We are in Carini. Ginny wrote, Georgie said, of course, men obey. Women rule, guys. This is a universal law.
Yeah.
So everybody's saying you're very good. Good morning. What a beautiful view. Thank you for sharing.
So it's the time to add also a small quantity of concentrato. I forgot to check concentrato in English. Is just I want to show. Easy to show.
I can't help you, Rosella. Oh, hello from Netherlands.
No, this is a dry tomatoes, but it's not dry. It's an extract. Ecco, estratto.
Extract.
Extract. Yes.
So please, Rosella, say hello to Annalise van der Linde. She followed us from the Netherlands.
Wow.
Hello, Annalise. Joanne G. Yamei writes, please God, make the coronavirus be over and never come back so we can all go to Sicily.
Yeah.
Guys, we have to be patient. We have to be positive because this crazy situation will be over and we will be able to hug each other, to host you, to show you our beautiful island. And
we look forward to taking care of you. You know.
To provide you custom product tours, to provide you cookery lessons, so...
Ancestry tours.
Yeah, ancestry tours. This is what we do. You already know it, so we help you in many ways. We are in the ground here, we can help you in many situations. So if you have a Sicilian origin, if you want to discover your roots, we are at your disposal. So feel free to contact us and we will help you. In the meantime, we are in a lockdown and we can only show you the best of Sicily, the best food, the best culinary tradition. This
is the third day of lockdown. I don't remember, but
30.
Yes, 30.
I don't mind.
So I just test the potatoes, and they need more salt. So I can add some salt, and also we like red peppers. So we like the spicy food.
So Jen Jodimaggio says we have family in Cinisi.
Wow!
And Cinisi is just, how do you say, over the mountain. So back this mountain, there is Cinisi and then Terracini, very close to my house.
About 10 minutes.
No, less.
Less.
I used to go swimming there. Hello Francesco Di Marzo, good morning.
Ciao Francesco.
Peter Confalone, you're right. We have a beautiful day. I wish you to. This is crazy. Sylvester, good morning. Sylvester says his grandfather was from Carini too. Fileccia. Yeah, Fileccia is a traditional family name. Thank you, Mirella. my haircut look great. Looks great.
So this is also the time to, because potatoes are almost ready, and so I can add a cheese rind.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is a Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano. So you can put one like this, because of course is the rind.
Rosella, please, we have to say again, because some people is watching not from the beginning, from the starting point. So
okay.
We have to say again, where are you, or what are we doing? This is the pasta con le patate, potato pasta dish, and it's one of the simplest and poorest traditional Sicilian dishes.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna show the pan closer, because I think some people didn't see the live stream from the starting point. Okay.
This is the time to put pasta.
Ramona, for example, has to show the frying pan. Okay. Jason.
So I can put the fire off, and I can also take away the leaves, also the rosemary.
Rosella, Jason wants me to sing.
In the next live streaming, I'm working about this. Gianca is going to play guitar. In the next live streaming,
but I can sing something. Just a preview.
Yeah, maybe.
What? Mi voto e mi rivoto, sospirando, passo le notti interi senza sonno. Guys, as you can see, I'm very shy. I'm working on this song. This is a special traditional song, very ancient song, and in the perhaps not the next one, but in the next weeks, I will sing and play the guitar. So be patient, guys.
So the pasta only needs a few minutes, because you have to cook inside and with the potatoes.
Francis asks, what time is it there?
It's very late.
It's very late. It's about 3 o'clock.
Yeah. I'm very late.
Guys, I'm hungry. It's about 3 o'clock in the evening, so we had to prepare the live stream, we had to prepare the set, and so this is the result. I'm going to eat very late. I'm going crazy. Rosella, where are you? Oh. Sorry. So say it again for Connie. Connie Sinicropi asks, what are you making, Rosella?
I'm making pasta di patati, we say. It's pasta with potatoes, and it's a very traditional dish, and I used to cook to respect the recipe of my grandmother. You also need to set the table for our lunch, Gianca.
Yeah.
So maybe you can put here the gimbal and
On the tripod.
yes, just with this setting.
Okay. Wow, Linda, Linda is going to make gnocchi, and she's happy for Roland to finish because I will eat chocolate today.
I want also to say that if you want a denser pasta, you have to use less water. But if you want a watery soup, you need to use more water, of course. It's up to you. I prefer the denser one because it's drier, more dry.
Yeah. Rosella, let me see something. Let me say something about where we are. So guys, Albina. Albina, I'm sorry, my gimbal today is a little bit crazy. So we are in the area of Carini. Palermo, the capital of Sicily, is just behind that mountain. That's the Gulf of Carini. There. Perhaps you can see the small island over there called Isola delle Femmine, the Island of Women. Sferracavallo, Michael, Alexander. Sferracavallo is just over there. Look at my finger. And Albina, Torretta is there, just close to Carini. This is a geography lesson. Let me see if you have any question. Okay, let's go. Let's come back to Rosella. Dimmi.
I'm here.
Aspetta, che qua è impazzito. Are you ready?
Yes, I dried the pasta.
Okay.
And I have to cook with potatoes.
Okay.
So the pasta is very al dente, more than al dente. It's just in the middle of the cooking.
So it's not cooked.
Yes.
It's more than al dente.
More than al dente, yes.
Be careful, guys. This is the most delicate part of the cooking, because if you are wrong now,
yeah,
you have an awful pasta, a very bad pasta.
Yeah.
So you have to take it away 1 minute before.
No, more than 1 minute. It's about 4 minutes before.
4 minutes?
Yes.
Oh.
This is one of the secrets of my grandmother. The more time you spend to cook pasta with the
other ingredients,
more your pasta will be yummy.
Delicious. So the mix between ingredients is very important. And you can only mix ingredients if you take pasta out from the water soon. Guys, sorry for my English. Oh, Katie Barbato says we make pasta cici or pasta with tuna, and some people fast the whole day. Pasta cici, I think you mean pasta chi ciciri, so pasta con i ceci.
I had some peppers again because we like very spicy.
Connie Alvino says she has been in Ragusa. I love Ragusa. We love it too, guys. It's a wonderful area of Sicily. Beautiful, beautiful area.
It's time to taste. I'm very proud of myself. So, the cook is finished.
Jason asked, you cut your hair? No, Jason, Rosella did it.
I did a great job. At the end, when the heat is over, you have to add olive oil and stir again. Maybe it's too much for us, Gianca.
I'm so angry. So for me, it's good. I don't know for you, but for me, it's good.
If you like, you can also put some mixed cheese on the top. And now it's the time to set the table. So,
Linda, we are far from Montemaggiore Belsito. Actually, we are about 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's not so close.
I'm going to set the table, Gianca, so we can start our lunch also. So today there is a beautiful day, and that's the reason why we decide to eat outside.
Guys, I'm working with the tripod now. Now I help Rosella. Wow.
Wait for me, guys.
Okay. Where are you, Rosella?
I'm taking the white wine. Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry because I am not able to to work with this new gimbal. Sometimes it goes crazy. And so Rosella, where are you?
I'm here. I'm coming. I want to show my result at the sun.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Great job, Rosella.
Thank you.
Dan.
Wait for me.
Dan is from Cinisi too. Rosemary's got a house in Castellammare del Golfo. So I do this because I'm not good.
Ready to have our lunch. Gianca, what are you doing today?
I'm joking with the gimbal, guy. the gimbal doesn't work anymore. Okay, where are you, Rosella?
I'm here.
Okay.
I can stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ready to start our lunch. This is for me because I need to respect my diet. maybe Gianca can have exactly the double. The double.
Yeah, for me it's good. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. And now we can sit to start our lunch. I can put here. So come with me, Gianca.
So,
Because I would like to thank all our friends. Thank you. Thanks for your love. Thanks to be here. We know that we are in bad times, but we want to hang in there. We want to stay positive, and we want to see the light under the tunnel. And so we are very lucky to spend this time with you because we can feel your love. We receive every day a lot of messages, a lot of calls, emails, and you are very lovely. So thanks for your positive emotions. Thanks to give us so much power.
la pasta si raffreddò.
La pasta si raffreddò, è ora. So it's the time to also to greet our God.
Pasta is getting cold. So guys, I want to say cheers.
Cheers.
First of all.
Yes.
We love you. Hang in there. This is a crazy situation. It will be over. Don't worry. And be positive. And we wish you a great Holy Week.
Yeah. Also, we will do another live streaming, of course, on Sunday.
And we do a prayer.
Yes.
We make a prayer.
Yes.
To say we hope that this situation will be over very soon.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks,
please.
God.
Thank you, guys. Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you for your time and thank you to stay with us. So, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.